Welcome to our guide on strength builds versus dexterity builds in Elden Ring. Whether you prefer heavy hitting or swift strikes, each build offers a unique path to victory. Let's break down the core attributes. Strength focuses on raw power and damage output, while dexterity enhances speed, precision, and weapon handling. When it comes to weapons, strength builds thrive with heavy weapons like great axes and colossal swords, while dexterity builds excel with finesse weapons, including katanas and rapiers. The playstyle differs significantly. Strength builds often charge into battle, soaking damage and delivering massive hits, while dexterity builds require finesse, dodging attacks, and delivering quick lethal strikes. Armor choice is crucial. Strength builds should focus on heavy armor for maximum defense, whereas dexterity builds benefit from lighter armor to maintain agility. Each build offers unique skills and spells. Strength builds might utilize powerful melee attacks, while dexterity builds can unlock techniques that enhance speed and critical hits. In boss fights, strength builds can deal immense damage quickly, breaking enemy stances, while dexterity builds can exploit weaknesses with rapid-fire attacks. In PvP, strength builds can dominate with raw power and crowd control, while dexterity builds excel in outmaneuvering opponents and landing critical strikes for a swift win. For leveling, focus on your primary stats accordingly. Strength builds should prioritize strength and vigor, while dexterity builds should invest in dexterity and endurance. In conclusion, the best build truly depends on your personal playstyle. Do you enjoy heavy-hitting attacks or quick, agile maneuvers? The choice is yours.